Motion paths move an image or object along a path. Select your image, choose the effect M-Path. Move it and scale it as needed, and then to apply it, just click the image icon again. To change to a different path or edit the same path, just click the icon again and choose it. Okay, it looks like it's upside down. Whenever that happens, go to the path effect and change orient to reverse. Another thing that would improve it is stripping the background. Or you could just look for a transparent image like this one. Let's look at the Path Effects menu again. I want the bird to look like it's coming in from the distance, so I want to make it small to start out and then get bigger. You can also have it reverse direction. Just cut the duration in half and set animate out. To add the finishing touches, set a nice background. Text path animations are similar, except the text goes in a marquee. Mask, gradient, and pattern will no longer work, but you can still use border, shadow, and corners.